I don't know how you do the drive, man. That's what surprises me. Not about all the hours that you work, but the drive. It's wild. Oh man, you are tight in here. We're gonna get that loosened up. You're gonna feel vibration. It's gonna be a little bit stronger. Relax your head, you're gonna hear a little pop. Relax your head, you're gonna hear a little pop. Good. We're gonna get that a different way because it's not moving. Let's have you on your side facing me. Look at the ceiling. Good. Good. Other side. Look at the ceiling. Relax. Good. Good. On your back, face up. Good. Relax your head. Good. Good. Let me have you cross your arms. Coming up. Did you have to do any meds?
For the spider bite?
Mm-hmm.
I popped the first one, but I can't pop that second one.
Relax your head. Come on up. They probably got to drain it and put some antibiotics on there, okay? Turn your head to the left, to the right. One more. Where was the other one that you had?
It was over. I think
Okay, so you had two things there?
Yeah.
Dang.